you're all doing good. Extracurricular activities. The moment we hear of this term during our college days, we really feel excited about because we have a break from regular academic activities. It's all about fun and enjoying the culturals, and most importantly, it's an opportunity for us to showcase our talent in different forms. It can be singing, dancing, essay writing, whatnot. So I felt like, why can't we organize our own cultural fest? On top of it, it's a festive season, so I'm sure you're all enjoying your holidays, right? So we came up with this idea of a cultural fest online, wherein you'll be showcasing your talent in different forms possible. It's up to you. It can be of any theme, it doesn't matter. It can be of any form of art, like drawing, sketching, painting, photography, whatnot. So any art, including carving, including different forms of carving. It can be even a collage. So it's all up to you. Any form of art with any theme is welcome. So all you need to do is just create this art, which is obviously and which should be obviously your original work. Mail it to us. Take a good picture, mail it to us on or before 20th January 2019. So 20th January 2019 will be the last date of submission. And we'll be selecting the top 3 in all different forms of art which you're going to mail us. And we'll be creating a video keeping those top 3 artworks in mind. And that will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. And I'm sure it will be viewed by lakhs and lakhs of students, not just throughout India, but throughout the world. Right? So consider this as a form of competition. Do send in your entries on or before 20th Jan 2019. So when you're sending your entries, make sure that you have a specific theme for your artwork along with the details of art. If it is a photography, just send us the details of the lens or cam which you have used, or if it is some sort of painting, significance of that painting in 1 or 2 sentences, right? And also, most importantly, do send your details, including your name, the year of study, and the college and the place you are from. So this competition is open for all undergraduates, first year, second year, third year, final year, including interns, right? So Cultural Fest 2020 is hereby open. So wish you all the best. Love you all.